Oh yeah. Here we are, 2022 season starting. What I'm doing right now is I'm prepping this to start planting my onions. If you want to grow onions from seeds this year, you want to start getting them planted right now, because when you plant them outside, by the time they're ready, they're not going to be ready for you to pick. So let's start our onion seeds right now if you can. First, second week of January, onions take a very long time to grow and to germinate. There we are. Got the dirt in, prepping the holes. Get a little stick for the onions. You want to go at about a 1/2 inch down. Stick it in there and do a little turny, pop it up. Now I got 78 more to do. Probably take me a couple minutes. Pop it in. What I do is again put it in, and I go like this to round out the hole a little bit. Just keep going down. I'm gonna come back by and go ahead and throw those seeds in. All right, there we go. I got all the holes in. Let me show you a little tip here. So I use my label maker and I put here what I'm putting in there. Hey, sometimes use popsicle sticks. They're great, but it kind of wears off as the water comes up. So you got a label maker, go ahead and throw those on. Now let's get the seeds in here. Let's do a little bit of video magic, and boom. Alrighty, and just like that, I have them all planted. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle some dirt on the top, filling up these holes. And that's about it. Then time to dust off the dirt on the greenhouse. Get my growing lights powered up and get some plants in there. And here we go. I have the onion seeds going right below the growing light. And you might ask yourself, Matt, why are you putting these on blocks? Well, if you don't remember or need a refresher, when you're starting your seeds, they need to be pretty close to the growing light. So I just use blocks of woods to elevate this up so it gets closer to that growing light. Hey, just remember, when you're doing your seeds on the growing lights, they get very hot and they'll dry out super fast. So make sure they get plenty of water. I'd recommend looking at these twice a day for the first couple weeks. If you're not doing onions, other stuff, after they germinate, you could probably drop it down to every once a day. But right away, check them a couple times a day and add water as needed. Don't let those guys dry out. And while I finish off this video, hey, I hope you enjoyed this, or at least you might have learned something. If you did, or if you did enjoy this, please give us a thumbs up. Hey, and until next time, keep growing, and I'll talk to you later, and I'll just be sitting here with my plants.